What's going on? Look, I appreciate you jumping through and clicking on this video. Look, real quick, you're obviously here because you're an online fitness coach and you're probably doing some decent numbers. You're looking to track your rev, your coaching stats, your new leads, everything like that all in the one place. And also obviously track the trajectory of your business. Now, this is why I started building custom dashboards for online fitness coaches, just because there is no real tool out there that can actually connect everything in the one place. You've got other tools like Databox, but if you're using something like Kahunas or OneFit that don't actually have an external API integration, you can't connect that data at all. So this is where these custom dashboards actually come into play. Now, as you can see here, we have a custom dashboard built up. Don't worry, this isn't like a real business. This is just a mock-up. I'm not going to share anyone else's business numbers. One of the cool things about building a custom dashboard is that we can customize it to however the coach wants it. So we can style it like this, or if you want something a bit more, a bit of a different colorway, we can start like this, or we can do something completely different. So that is one of the benefits of doing a custom dashboard. Now, I'll keep this quick. What do we actually track inside of here? So we connect everything up: your Newie, your Kahunas, your OneFit, your TrainerEyes, your Everfit, whichever platform you use, your organic content. So that could be your Facebook organic, Instagram organic, obviously your ads as well. We connect up your ManyChat. We connect up your KPIs for your coaches or setters if you also have them in there. And then we also have a content system built into the dashboard as well. And then obviously one of the big ones is connecting up GoHighLevel, because most fitness coaches use that as their point of truth for all of their sales and client tracking stuff. So I'll do a super quick run through. Obviously, homepage, you can see some of your current rev stats, how many leads, inquiries, how many new clients you've signed in the last 30 days, any at-risk clients that we pulled from Kahunas using our scrapers. If you go into the clients tab here, you can see the active clients in coaching, how many new clients, current roster. If you have sub coaches, how many clients are assigned to each individual sub coach. And then you can also track your revenue per coach. Anyone that's, overdue check-ins, anything like that. Obviously, if we then go to sales funnel, this is all being pulled from GHL. So if depending on how much you use GHL, also depends on how much data we can pull in. If you're using something else apart from GHL, obviously we can connect it up as well. But obviously most online fitness coaches use GHL. Setters, closers. So if you do have people inside working in your business, we can track their, DM convo started, how many booked calls they actually booked in per setter, everything like that. Coach KPIs, if we want to, one of the big ones that I find most coaches want to track is their coaches' average response times. So we can pull this data, once again, if it's from Kahunas, Everfit, TrainerEyes, wherever, we can pull their average response time by having our Claude agent go in every morning and read the red messages to then track their average response time. So then you, the head coach, can see, if they're falling behind in regards to replying to clients. If we go in here, then we can see our ads, current leads this month, it's cost per lead, CTR, CPC, everything like that. We can see the best performing campaigns, content. So this is obviously the organic kind of stuff where we can connect that up. We can see, what is our best reel in the last 30 days? How many new followers have we got? Content planner. So this is just where we can schedule out, if you are scheduling organic paid, whichever style of content, we can schedule out in here. So that, tomorrow I'm going to post this client transformation of Jordan, et cetera, et cetera. You can also generate content ideas as well. So we can actually give a Claude bot context, and it can go through and, create random ideas. So you never run out of ideas of what to post, whether in regards to ads, long form, just stories, anything like that. And then one of the big ones as well is we actually integrate a real Claude agent inside of your dashboard. So you can actually go in and ask it any questions based on your business. So you can, ask it who's at risk this week, and it'll give you the list of all the clients that haven't checked in, etc. You can then also ask it to actually do tasks for you. So say, for example, you have, Sally inside of Kahunas, and you need to message her to say hey, your payment's failed. You can actually just go ahead and message the Claude agent inside your dashboard to go and do that for you. Now, obviously it needs your approval first. It'll just do stuff automatically. But that's one of the big things we can add in is our own Claude agent that then understands every single thing about your business. And it's just like your own little VA inside of there. We can also connect this to Telegram, WhatsApp, wherever you actually want to message it from, so you're not always stuck inside of the dashboard if you want to message them. Now, that was just a super quick run through. If you are interested in having a custom dashboard built out for your business, I'll have an application link below. I don't work with every single business, obviously, because some businesses just don't really need it. Some track data a bit differently. So I kind of have a bit of qualification process to see if it actually suit you and your business. So if you are interested in having something built out for you, obviously with these dashboards, you own the code completely. So there is no ongoing subscriptions, anything like that. It's just a one-off build. We build it out for you. We give you all the code, all the setup, all in your name. So after it's built, you just go ahead and you keep it for life, basically. So if you are interested, pop the link down below, and we might be chatting soon.